Will it run? Sitting for who knows how many years. We pried the hood open, literally. It's a cream puff. I don't know. We had to make a key for it. Key was lost somewhere. They said it had been sitting at a repair shop for years, I think. Needed all sorts of stuff. Good used battery there, charged up. So battery terminal, a new starter. There's just nothing available. This is a, oh, it's even got brakes. This is a 93 Dakota. Ooh, we got a buzzer now. Oh, we had dash lights. Oh, we got them again. Look at that. 180,000 miles. Good old manual transmission. Will it run? Gas smelled like, well, something that rhymes with gas. Ho, 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 ho. Little knockage. We have oil. Oil pressure is coming up. It is alive. There you go, Mr. Jonathan.